Hi, Josh here with the Carpet Repair Guys. I'm on a bleach repair and the customer doesn't have any extra carpet or any closets to work with. Can it be repaired? Is it possible? We're going to show you how to do that today. Okay, the key to this repair is to isolate the damaged, bleached areas to cutouts as small as possible. The smaller the repair, the better. So we've got more to cut here. And finding donor material, we're going to have to take it from one of these corners. We've got the front door here. I've got a large window and a side window. And we've got these drapes over here. With the staircase running up, I feel the best hiding spot for this repair is going to be that corner. Using my donor material that is similar in color, but a little off in the texture and the density, we'll put that back in place. If we do it right, up close you'll probably see some variation, but it'll be harder to detect. It'll look more like something has been sitting on there, some furniture and such. Now that all the bleach is cut out, we're going to use each one of those cutouts and place them in this corner to cut out exactly what we need. Now isolated and pushed back in the corner, we'll get a nice straight line on each side. And the reason for not putting the similar donor material back in the spot of the bleach over here is, if you notice, we'll only have two seam lines and we'll tie into the two walls. This definitely helps to minimize the visibility of the repair. Obviously, each one of these are going to be a four-sided insert. So isolate, use donor material that's similar, blend. This is going to look great, very passable for an inspection. And using the same material, this is going to be best. This seam iron is hot melting the carpets together. For more on this process, check out our video links in the description. Scissoring at a bevel along the seam lines is an important step in the blending process. The donor carpet is now complete, and it is hard to detect from a distance. As you walk closer, it'll start becoming more in focus, but doesn't jump out at you. It looks like a piece of furniture was sitting there. Okay, I'll finish with the repairs here, and as you can see, the bleach is gone and that corner is hardly noticeable. This is repairing a damaged area without extra carpet or a closet to pull from.